Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to transfer WhatsApp chats to a new phone. For this tutorial, I recorded the steps on my phone, then sent the recording to WhatsApp and opened it on my PC so you can follow everything more clearly. Let's get started. First, I opened WhatsApp on my phone, then I tapped Settings and selected Chats. Inside the Chats menu, I opened the Transfer Chats option. Next, I tapped Start to begin the transfer process. Before transferring your chats, make sure both phones are connected to the internet, have enough battery power, and are placed close to each other. Now, on the new phone, install and open WhatsApp. Enter the same phone number that you used on your old phone and complete the verification process. After the verification is complete, WhatsApp will display a QR code on the new phone. This is the point I'm showing in this tutorial. For demonstration purposes, I'm not completing the transfer, so I'll stop here. If you're actually transferring your chats, simply take your old phone, open WhatsApp, go to Settings, then Chats, tap Transfer Chats, and scan the QR code shown on your new phone. After confirming the transfer, keep both phones unlocked and close to each other until the process is complete. Once the transfer finishes, open WhatsApp on your new phone, and you'll find your chats, photos, videos, and other supported data successfully transferred. That's it. This is how you can transfer WhatsApp chats to a new phone in 2026. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful WhatsApp tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.